Students, hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are going to discuss about the CW radar, that is continuous wave Doppler radar. Before moving to the concerned topic, let us discuss about the term used here. What does this term Doppler means? As we have already discussed previously in class, what is Doppler effect? Now, Doppler effect says that there will be apparently shift in frequency that depends on relative radial motion of the source and the observer. We have already discussed the different ways of calculating the Doppler shift frequency, that is the factor of Ft. Hope you all remember that. Now come to the today's topic, that is CW Doppler radar. As it is clear from with the name that it is a continuous wave Doppler radar which employ a continuous transmission either modulated or unmodulated is called a CW radar. This radar utilizes Doppler frequency shift to detect moving target. Now discuss in detail the CW radar with the help of a block diagram. As you all are seeing on your screen that CW Doppler radar block diagram is there. The first diagram. The upper diagram, in upper diagram there is two portion. It is divided into two parts. The upper one is transmission part and the lower one is receiving part. In transmission part, there is CW transmitter, which transmit a frequency of FT frequency, right? And on receiver section, there is detector mixer, beat frequency amplifier, indicator frequency meter, right? Now start the explanation how the CW radar function and how it is the working of a CW radar. As we are seeing in the block diagram, the transmitter part transmit the continuous wave signal at frequency Ft, which is then radiated by the antenna. This frequency is shifted by plus minus Ft. As you all see here, plus minus Ft. Due to Doppler effect when echo signal is received. Here, one question arises in your mind, then why it is plus minus Ft? Here the plus minus indicate what? The plus sign indicate the increasing distance of target from radar, while negative sign indicates the decreasing distance of target from radar. This transmitted signal then provided to the receiver. This Ft plus minus Ft signal is provided to the receiver section so that it can be used as an advantage for mixing it with the signal returned from the target to detect the Doppler frequency shift. Here the Doppler mixer, here the detector or mixer is used to eliminate the echoes received from a stationary target and to amplify the Doppler echo signal to a level where it can operate. Here, the detector in a mixture is used to eliminate the echo signal. Now, when the echo signal is eliminated from the required signal, the signal Fd is passed on to the beat frequency amplifier, which amplify the Doppler echo signal to a particular level. After that, where it can operate an indicating device such as frequency meter. After the amplification of the signal, we can indicate with the help of frequency meter. This is all about the working of a CW Doppler radar. Now, the basic CW radar has modified and a new improved version came into existence with IF amplification. Here, what is IF amplification means? The intermediate frequency. Now, the improved version of CW Doppler radar is, here we use the concept of IF amplification, intermediate frequency amplification factor. As you all can see in your screen, that the improved CW Doppler radar part is divided into two parts, that is transmitting antenna and a receiving antenna, transmission section or receiving section. In transmission section, there is CW transmitter oscillator, transmitter mixture and IF oscillator. In receiver part, there is receiver mixture, IF amplifier, detector, Doppler amplifier and a indication. Let's start. Let's study about the how does this improved CW radar work. A small portion of the transmitted frequency, this IF, and its signal is mixed with the output of an IF oscillator in a transmitter mixture, and the sum of these two is fed to the receiver mixture. The sum of FT plus FIF is fed to the receiver mixture, that is showing here, FT plus minus FIF. In this type of radar, two separate antennas are used, as I had told you earlier, the transmitting antenna and the receiving antenna for the transmission and the reception part. The output of the transmitter mixture and receiving antenna are mixed in receiver mixture. That is the output of a transmitter mixture. In transmitter mixture, the FT, some part of this and this part is mixed and it is fed to the FT plus minus FIF. Where FIF is intermediate frequency and FD is Doppler frequency, FI plus minus FT. After receiver, the output of a receiver mixture is the intermediate frequency, when this output is FIF plus minus FT. Right. This is fed, that is being amplified in IF amplifier. Here, this input is amplified in this IF amplifier. After this, it is detected by the detector and the amplified output is now demodulated to obtain the Doppler frequency, and we will get the required frequency. Hope you all will understand. Next topic will be continued in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.